So with the solar panel, I've decided to attach it to the roof racks so I can easily take it on and off in case I want to chuck the kayak on the roof instead. And also if you glue it to the roof, the glue stays on the roof and it does not come off very easily. So I've set up an outdoor awning light for when it's night time. You'll be able to see within all this area. Basically what I've done, I've wired up some cigarette power ports here and some USB ports and just plug it into here and you can shut the door. So in the front of the van we've got some ropes and some metal rods. We've got some reusable bags, cards, a laptop charger, a little hair dryer, backup fuses and stuff, spare batteries, first aid kit, just your plasters and bandages. So one of the first upgrades I did to the van was the stereo, of course. I added a Bluetooth one that supports Spotify, so I'm able to just Bluetooth all my Spotify music from my phone. So one of my favourite upgrades of the van would be the hot water, being able to have hot water showers. So what I've done is attached it to a TV stand and allowed it to be able to just come out the door. So the scariest thing I've done with the van is having to cut the hole for this gas cylinder. So on this side I've got a gas locker which you can lock and unlock without having to keep the gas bottle inside the van. So in the van here we've got a small bin in the corner and we've got these bags are just for like dirty laundry storage device. I found at the warehouse. I thought it was a good idea just to store all the hot water stuff. What I've done with the toilet is I made a wooden box around it with a laser engraved door from Lord of the Rings. So the reason why I've drilled out holes as handles instead of putting handles on external ones is because I didn't want to have, you know, little handles sticking out, which is less room and more things to knock into. So this is easy enough and it's free, you don't even have to buy a handle. So this tap's electric and connected to the battery. What I've done is added mosquito net, I added curtains, so that's the edges, pull these over, and they're blackout curtains, so at night time you don't get any light in here. Up here I've added fishing rod holders. So I've put a fan at the back here which is connected to the battery. I've added some tie downs on the roof which allows me to put a surfboard and the kayak paddles up here. I've got this little stretchy basket just for, well, I've got it for my poncho and an extra towel at the moment. So under the bed here, I did make the bed so you're able to slide that in and slide it out, but I found I've needed the storage under here, so I tend to just leave it out. I have a chili bin here for extra food storage. This is a powered chili bin and freezer. If we pull this up, inside there, and this is powered off the battery which is charged from the solar panel on the roof. So this is the battery that's being charged from the 160 watt solar panel on the roof. This little blue box down here is the controller, which the power from the solar panel gets converted to 12 volt, which charges the battery. You can see on here it's quite cloudy today, so it's only charging 1 amp. So the 5 switches on this hub, the first one's for the tap and the second one is for the fridge, and we've got one for the gas detector, the white box down here, and the last 2 are for the extra power boxes, which one's at the front door and one's at the back door. So in the back of the van here, this is the extra power points that we've got and USB plugs. We have the ladder for getting on the roof and for setting up the awning, a small foldable table, a gas cooker, a steamer box of just extra clothes, extra towels, another steamer container with just items you might need. We have 2 foldable chairs, fold out completely. 40 extra litres of water, for mostly for the shower, but it is fresh water so you can use it for anything. We've got 2 life jackets for when you're going on the kayak, extra sleeping bag for if it gets really cold. We've got your pot, pan, kettle. And these I've got more fishing gear, a wetsuit, surfboard racks, more tie downs. This is my tool bag, a socket set, foldable spade, cable ties, cable cutter and puncher, jumper leads, and a whole bunch of other tools.